He was just playing hide and seek in the cupboard. He didn't realize he had been inside all day. When he came out, he saw that only 1 minute had passed on the clock. He thought the clock was faulty, but his friend told him it had really only been 1 minute. Then suddenly, the boy understood everything. This old cupboard in the house steals time. But his exam was in 10 minutes. He got a brilliant idea. He grabbed all his study materials and went inside the cupboard. When he reached the exam hall, he was very confident. In a short time, he wrote down everything he had memorized inside the cupboard. The student next to him kept watching him, not realizing how much his beard had grown. Because of this secret weapon, his marks improved day by day. He became the class topper. He even got a job at his dream company. Whenever the company gave him urgent work, he would grab all his files and go into the cupboard. Where others took a month, he finished everything in one night. He became the boss's favorite. They even arranged a party for him. But when he was at the peak of his success, something strange happened. One day, while washing his hands, he looked into the mirror and froze. His hair had turned white. At first, he thought it was due to stress, so he ignored it. But the rate at which time was affecting him was far more dangerous. Now, whenever he played with his son, he would get tired very quickly. Once, an angry man slapped him from behind, and he barely managed to stay on his feet. He stood up with difficulty. When the doctors examined him thoroughly, everyone was shocked by the report.